today. Hello, everybody.
No, I'm
Leo
the
back. Leo back.
Stop, Leo, okay? Okay, so I am going to open this giant centipede. Leo's going to open the kadunks.
And
wait, Leo, don't get in
my God,
the video. Don't talk in the video.
No.
And the secret.
I'll be silent. I'll be like the silent. Oh, you're making me feel handicapped.
Oh,
Do you want to start over, or are you going to be okay?
I'm gonna be okay. So I'm going to open this giant remote control.
I'm gonna open this. It comes with the hammerhead shark. Comes with the stop. Great white shark, sawtooth shark, and a goblin shark, an anglerfish, and a giant squid. So now Lucy's gonna open this one.
Leo, you're not the main character, you know that?
Oh my
I
god.
know, but get this out of the way.
Get your face out of the way.
Oh yeah, and also this raccoon we got.
So we have one giant centipede.
And
We have the first thing, which is a
We're doing
giant
this at the same time.
hey, that
super
looks,
cool giant
that looks the
centipede.
same as like the other one that you have.
Yeah, this one is a
Well, like wiggly.
yeah, this is a lot wiggly.
Yeah, and it looks really cool.
And it also has fangs.
Fangs. Oh, can you show the camera?
Yeah, it has fangs.
Look. Make it bite the camera. You bit the camera, guys.
He bit the camera.
Okay, next one we're gonna use is
Beware of that giant centipede.
next
man.
one we have is
Oh, and we have the, of course, we have the
yeah, the
remote control. The best part is that it's a remote control.
and it says
centipede. And it's not just some display centipede. There you go. It's a moving remote control
so now it's
giant centipede.
and I actually have a raccoon that I got in the claw
This remote
machine.
control thing is hard to get out.
His name's called Sugar Love. Sugar.
What?
Sugar Love. I might. So I have this raccoon. Now
Okay.
it's time for the kadunks.
So now
Now let's try the
time
kadunks.
for the complicated part.
Lucy,
Wait a
come on,
minute.
try.
What happened to my other AAA? Oh, right there.
Now time for the kadunks
So,
that we got.
where is it? Where's the batteries? I don't see the batteries anywhere.
Lucy, can you move on to the kadunks?
There's one
Oh,
here, and
Nothing in there.
okay, so it's
I
on
think
here.
the battery's only a... So
Okay, so-
centipede is a working centipede.
Okay, so I have to get a screwdriver.
Of course, that's going to be the hardest part, you guys. So I got one thing because I thought, hey, this is cool. I love centipedes.
But do you
and
want- do you
I
want
love
it now?
No. I'm not trying kadunks, no matter how many times you tell me.
Do it.
Dude, Leo,
I'm cleaning it all up.
It's gross.
Leo,
Here you
know
go,
it's
Mom.
good to you, right?
I might put it right here.
Leo, you're faking it.
No, it actually
Leo's
is gross.
faking.
No, it actually.
No, let me try. No, I'm not trying. Sorry.
So now we are gonna move on to
Big
the.
thing, the second biggest thing.
Why don't you look at the timer?
Now let's
The
open
second
it.
coolest thing.
Mom, I might need scissors.
The centipede's really cool.
Did you find the batteries?
Yes, I do. I have them always in my hand.
Give me this.
Always have them in my hand.
Mom, hurry!
Leo,
That should be exact.
you can get up off your own butt and do
I
it.
might have to wrap it up.
No, not yet, Leo.
You can do it in part 2.
We have 6. We have 6 minutes, and it's only 4 minutes. Okay, let me just try and do the remote control centipede on the floor.
You see, nobody's going to see that.
All right.
Okay, just wait.
It goes up to 10 minutes.
No,
So,
it doesn't.
Yeah, it does.
I'll show
It goes to
behind the
whatever it
scenes
says.
with this giant centipede on what I did.
Hey, Lucy, you have to turn it on.
Turn it on. How? Oh yeah, right here, right. There we go. Now.
Wait, okay.
Yeah, it works. It works. It works.
Mom, help me.
That's not the way you do it, Leo.
There isn't a tape sign. Whoa! Can you sew that on the table?
up, Lucy. Put it on the
Make it go to my car.
Why am I on the video?
Wait, I'm gonna put it up here for me. So, go forward, Lucy, go forward. No! Put it, make like it hits the camera. This is a scary scene. Never mind. Now let's. Okay, Mom's about to open Oh, it has X-Rolls. It has X-Rolls.
Sorry.
Has X-Rolls.
No,
It
I
has
don't know
to
what that
attack
is, but no, that's not the way to get it off, honey. You have to untie them. Yo,
It's
I
so
said that
cool,
doesn't
isn't it,
work.
Mom?
Let me see.
Isn't it cool, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
So Mom's cutting it.
Oh, you have to untie.
Dad's not here. He's in France. Right?
Yeah,
Or what is it?
France. He's coming back today.
Yeah, that's good. Because I want to show him this thing.